different markets across the world. In the Pacific, in Japan, we're very large, and places like Guam, Saipan, Indonesia, Malaysia, and even recently we've been down to Australia, and the response has been very positive.
For me, it's a realization of a dream. It reinforces the belief that if you stay with something and if you never give up, you can achieve some levels of success with a dream and an idea.
Yes, indeed. Yeah. Right now we have a brother out of Kingston 13, Jamaica, with songs such as Buy Out the Bar, Run Things, Sprinter Stayer, Herbsman Hustling, San Diego. Let's welcome with a real nice round of applause, Sugar Booger Minott.
Reggae music is the kind of music that you can mix with any music. Jazz reggae, hip-hop reggae, R&B reggae, calypso reggae, and we've got our own roots rock reggae. Yeah? So right now I'd like to touch down in some roots and culture from the Sugar Minott Roots and Culture Showcase, y'all. Reggae country. You can't get no job. I wake up in the morning, I make an early taxi. No job me gon' see them, because the youth them need feeding. But everywhere you go it's no vacancy. That must be wrong with coming to robbery. And everywhere you go it's no vacancy. So tell me how we are gonna feed the pig. Say, I no try, me no try. No try. But I just can't get obliged. Applying to the factory. I'm on clothes look so shabby. I told the people just don't watch me. Cause everywhere you go it's no vacancy. There must be one I come into robbery. And everywhere you go it's no vacancy. So tell me how we are gonna feed the pig. Whoa-yo, 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 yo-yo, whoa-yo, yo-yo, whoa-yo, 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 yo-yo, whoa-yo, whoa-yo. I have to try a little hustling. I raise few shilling from the item. I go and try a little selling. I sell peanuts with the sound string up. So if you fear with the bag, I take exhausting, yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Cause everywhere you go it's no vacancy. There must be one we come into robbery. And everywhere you go it's no vacancy. Especially if you are not here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Whoa-yo, 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 yo-yo, whoa-yo, yo-yo, whoa-yo, 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 yo-yo. Who's the more roots and culture? Who's the more roots and culture? Let me see your hands. Who's the more roots and culture? Thank you. More roots and culture.
This is my second time on the American leg of Reggae Sun Splash, but I am an original Reggae Sun Splash artist from the first Reggae Sun Splash in Kingston, Jamaica, very first one, so I am a kind of foundation, you know, within the Reggae Sun Splash.
One more time, let's give Sugar Minott a real nice round of applause.